Login failed on Charles Schwab Mobile distinct app fix. You open the Charles Schwab Mobile app, ready to check your portfolio, and suddenly it says login failed. Most people assume it's their password, but that's not always the case. Here's why it happens, and how to fix it fast. First, make sure you're using the right app. Schwab has multiple apps, including Schwab Mobile and Street Smart. The Schwab Mobile app is for everyday investors, while Street Smart is for active traders. Logging into the wrong one can instantly trigger a login error. Next, verify your credentials. Schwab requires both your login ID and password, and both are case sensitive. If you've recently changed your password online, it may not have synced properly with the app yet. Tap Forgot Password to reset it, and make sure you're using your current credentials. If that doesn't fix it, clear your cache. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Schwab Mobile and tap Clear Data. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. It's the easiest way to refresh everything. Also, check for app updates. Schwab releases regular security improvements, and older versions may stop working properly. Update your app through your app store and restart your device afterward. Another common issue is two-factor authentication. If you're not receiving your verification code, or it's expired, regenerated, these codes usually last only a minute. If you're using public Wi-Fi or VPN, switch to a private connection. Top security system might block unfamiliar apps to protect your account. Finally, sometimes Schwab servers are under maintenance, especially during trading hours. Waiting 10 to 20 minutes and retrying later often solves the problem automatically. So, if your Charles Schwab Mobile app login fails, don't panic. With a quick password check, cache clear, and network reset, you'll be back monitoring your investments and trades in no time.